So this is my creation project part 2. My business was called On Site. Our slogan was, "We have everything you need." We are a climbing, fitness, and rental facility located on the Greenway. So you can rent sports equipment, you can rent workout equipment, you can join the gym. It's a 2-story gym with a cafe with smoothies, tea, coffee, and fitness equipment that you can take outside and use on the Greenway, as well as there is an indoor green space on the 2nd floor. So our hours are 9 to 9, and on the weekend our hours are 10 to 10. For drop-in, this means anybody who is on the Greenway and just popping their head in, they don't have to have a membership for this. These are the equipment rental prices. So by the hour, you can rent bikes or rollerblades. There's a 2-hour time limit. Bikes are $6 an hour, rollerblades are $10 an hour. And for the day, there's no time, basically just meaning there's no time limit on these. So you can rent games for $5. These are like games played outside. Sports equipment for $3. These are things like frisbees, or frisbee discs, soccer balls, things like that. Then we have workout equipment. So weights can be rented. It's $5 per set, and mats are $5. And there's no hour time limit for these. If you want a different type of weights, you can just go to the counter with your old weights and switch them out for whatever different weight increment you want. Then there's drop-in climbing, so you don't actually have to have a membership to do this. You could just walk in. If you're not a very frequent climber, it's $10 a session, and harness is included with that, but shoes are not. Shoe rental is $6. Then we have our monthly membership packages. So you could get the Dino package, which is just the rock wall. So it's just climbing, harness is included, and shoes are, again, for rent. Feel free to bring your own, though. And then there's the full send package. So this is a full access to the rock wall. This includes harness and shoes. You also have full access to all the workout equipment. You have full access to bike rentals and blade rentals, and you have full access to all the sports gear and games. You can just check them out. You don't have to pay per use. Then on the bottom floor, we do have a hangdog cafe and smoothie bar. So we have the jam, the jug, the lead, the pitch, and the triple runner. There are add-ins additional. Cost of our smoothies are $4.99 for a small, or large is $6.99, and they're all going to come with almond milk because all of these smoothies are vegan friendly. Then we have our drip coffee, which is $3, and hot tea, which is $2. These we offer a discount of, you can save $1 just by bringing your own cup. This is just one of the ways that we try to be as sustainable as possible. Then we also offer quick and easy snacks, seasonal fruit. This could be bananas, apples. This could be mangoes. Really, it's gonna fluctuate with just what's in season. Boiled eggs and mixed nuts. Or you could get a little snack pack. So you could get a combination of the fruit, eggs, and nuts for $3.50. So you're saving 50 cents. And then also there's local energy bites, which are made here in Boone, and we sell them. And our resource conservation strategy So we are located on the Greenway, and we do care a lot about keeping it green. So this is Project Keep the Greenway Green. Basically, you fill a biodegradable trash bag that we have behind our rental counter. You can pick one up. You fill it with trash that you find along the parking lot, along the Greenway, anything like that. If you fill it up and you bring it back to us, we will give you a $6 discount towards climbing. So this could mean that if you're a drop-in climber, your shoes are free if you bring us a bag of trash and help keep the Greenway green. Other ways we keep it green are we compost. All of the scraps from our smoothie bars, all of our snacks are served in eco-friendly packaging. So our boiled eggs are kept in shell. They're naturally packaged. Our fruit is going to be all naturally packaged. And our nuts are going to be served in like a biodegradable box. And of course we have our bring your own cup discounts as well. We wanted to keep pricing for this fairly manageable. $40 for just strictly climbing is a pretty good deal. And it's pretty competitive, and our full send discount is an exceptional deal. But it was made with the thought in mind that not as many people would purchase a full send discount, and primarily sales are going to be through this equipment rental for people who are just visiting the Greenway, tourists, they want to drop in. The rollerblade rental is expected to be particularly of interest, and at $10 per customer, that's going to help bring in some revenue. And the games and the sports equipment should as well, along with our smoothies. So it was supposed to be very accessible for everyone, and able to compete with a lot of the climbing gyms around.